True love versus fake love. True love is always open and honest, even when upset. Fake love play games, hides their feelings, and try to manipulate the emotion of others to gain the upper hand. True love is self-sacrificing. Fake love only wants what it wants. True love forgives. Fake love seeks vengeance. True love appreciates you for who you are. Fake love tries to change you in their perfect ideal. True love is romantic intimacy and love making. Fake love is just sex. True love tries to resolve conflict. Fake love tries to prove it is right. True love lets go of hurts. Fake love harbors resentment. True love gives you the freedom. Fake love is controlling. True love listens. Fake love only talk. True love is like a ghost, which everyone talk about and a few have seen. Life is a game, and true love is a trophy. True love doesn't come to you. It has to be inside you. Don't trust someone blindly, because in the end, you are the only one who is going to hurt. Don't expect true love from fake people. I miss you. No, let me correct that. I miss old you that cared about me. Some people aren't loyal to you. They are loyal to their needs of you. Once their need changes, so does their loyalty. Real love is something you feel it. You see it. You show it. But fake love is just words and nothing else.